35 years ago, I started playing electronic music. 35 years ago, if I may remind you, synthesizers were not considered real instruments. People were going, what is that? What are you playing? Those are the songs I'm playing today. And they're as fresh today as they were back then. The real instruments back then were anything acoustic, like a piano, violin, cello, anything with an orchestra, anything real that you can touch, a guitar. Synthesizers were like shunned. But that's what I liked. I liked the variety of the sounds. And then I really enjoyed the blend. Like if you gave a synthesizer to Beethoven, he would have used it just like that. Why? Because in a few minutes you could create a new sound. And if you really think about it, it took us, what, 200 years to create the piano? 200 years? I don't have 200 years to wait. And it's a beautiful instrument, and I love the instrument. But, if you blend the piano with real violins, but also use some electronic sounds that cannot be reproduced by acoustic instruments, all of a sudden your palette increases tenfold, 100-fold, 1,000-fold.